This is absolutely stunning. This is Mag Block F2 crossed with, let me see, PAP. And it is so beautiful. And I have to show you, this plant was a multiple in a pot. Why is there just a whole giant, look at that. I need to do more pest treatment because I just squished an entire uh, fungus gnat. So gross. Okay, so anyways, look how gorgeous this is. Velvety leaf, ripples, like see how the leaf kind of like, moves like that. Like it's just stunning to me. This is the newer leaf. And again, my new leaves have just been so just chewed up this winter. But I mean, I'm doing the right things, keeping it watered, taking care of it. So we'll see. So here is the mama plant of the Mag Block F2 PAP. So just look at this. Gorgeous, roughly, but this leaf here, ooh, so pretty, so roughly. It's definitely giving mag vibes. So here's our mag right here. It's definitely giving mag vibes. Look how beautiful this is. This is probably one of my favorite leaves right now. I love it so much. I can't wait to see this one in particular put out a new leaf. It did bloom for me, and I was able to do a cross here. So we'll see. It's not quite telling me it's pollinated yet. It is in the male stage where you've got pollen that you can pull off. But I don't have any inflows right now that are ready to take pollen. There's none. I don't have any in the female stage just yet. But yeah, so gorgeous.